Hello there. I would like to train this plant to grow outward toward the sun and so hopefully make it bloom more than it currently does. So I've just got a simple idea to use this rod to push the plant in the manner you saw there. So I want to upset a section before bending and get a little more mass in that area. I need to thank one of the usual suspects for his generous donation. Once again, Jerry S. Hodges, thanks very much. Much appreciated. This anvil with the shelf beneath the Hardy and Pritchell holes can be very useful. Just got to be very careful to not get the piece stuck when doing that. So beyond making a roughly square corner, I really have no other plan. My propane tank is almost empty, and so I'm just winging it and just having a bit of fun. When forging a square corner, it can be a lot of repetition. That leg is getting shorter with each heat. It sure seems like a lot of hammering for not much in the way of results. Here I'm just experimenting. If you can, set aside some freestyle forge time and work around your tooling and use things in ways you normally don't. At this point, I've gone off the rails a little bit. So I just ease the edges a bit with my angle grinder and giving it a little bit of a wire brushing. It looks like a mini hatchet. Oh, that's about it. Nothing special here, but working on this has given me some ideas for other projects. Catch you guys next time.